Hi everyone and welcome to Aura Dance. Do you feel extremely low energy waking up in the dark and cold winter morning? I totally get you. And here is my gentle morning stretch routine that help boost energy. Start with drawing circles backward with the shoulder, then the elbow, and the entire arm. The gradual small to large movement can slowly warm up the muscles and activate blood circulations to make you feel more energized. It is especially useful if you wake up with tight shoulder from a night of bad sleep posture. This dynamic movement will gently loosen up the tight muscles and prevent the shoulders from further jam up before you start your hectic day. Overhead reach. Cross the fingers and bring the arms up high. Feel a lift from the hips. There should be a nice stretch of feeling along the abdomen and lower back. Keep the movement dynamic by slowly tilting left and right. Keep your gaze up. Next, forward fold and roll-ups. Step the feet hips-width distance. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips with the back flat. Repeat bending the knees a few times, then roll up the spine. Again, we keep the movement dynamic and avoid holding a static stretch because muscles in the morning are tight. The repeated bend and straighten of knees can decompress tight lower back and hamstrings more effectively. Inchworm to upward dogs. After warming up the small muscle groups, we now work a bit more of our core to boost our full body energy. Hinge forward with a flat back. Walk the hands forward with small steps. Then lengthen the spine and lift the head up to upward dog. Engage your core and walk the hands back. You will start feeling the heart rate picking up as you repeat the cycle. Now step the legs out wide, keep the back flat and fold forward. You can hold on to your ankles as you feel more flexibility in your hamstrings. one side of the ankle to continue on with the stretch. Having the head down helps circulate blood and oxygen to the head, which refreshes you after coming back up. But if you start feeling dizzy, you can always come up earlier. Reverse warrior and extended side angle. Turn the front foot out. Keep the knee in line with the ankle. Lean back and bring the arm up to reverse warrior. Then come forward with elbow rest on the thigh for extended side angle. Flow through between the two poses slowly. Work with stability and strong core. The strength you gain through the fluid movement is definitely giving you more confidence. Doesn't that give you a bright start for the day? If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!